Hello guys, how are you? Hola chicos, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidas a otro video sobre cómo hablar español. Welcome back to another video on how to learn Spanish. Today we're gonna learn some numbers. So remember the first 10 numbers because I'm gonna make a practice after that, okay? Okay, ready? Repeat after me. Uno, 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 dos, 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 tres, 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 cuatro, 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 cinco, 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 seis, 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 siete, 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 ocho, 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 nueve, 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 10, 10. Yes. Okay, perfect. Before we learn the rest of the numbers that we're gonna learn today, let's have a practice already. Okay, shall we? Let's see number one. What number is this? Yes, you're right. Nueve. This is nueve. Okay, next one. What about this one? What do you think? Cinco. Cinco. Okay, next one. Yes, this one is tres. Tres. Next one we have this one. What do you think? This one is siete. Siete. Very good. Okay, how was the practice? Was it easy? Was it difficult? If it was a little difficult, it's okay. You just need to practice more and then you're going to remember all the numbers, right? So, don't get stressed out. The Spanish is easy. We just need to keep practicing, okay? Okay, next list of numbers. Repeat after me. Once. 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 Doce. 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 Trece. 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 Catorce. 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 Quince. 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 Dieciséis. 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 Diecisiete. 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 18. 18. 18. 19. 19. 19. And last one we have 20. 20. 20. Perfect. 20. So remember that in Spanish we pronounce every single vowel, right? So we don't say 20, we say 20. Okay, so another practice. What number is this? This one is 17. 17. Okay, next one. This one is 13. 13. Okay, next one. 16. 16. Okay, one number more. What do you think about this number? What's the name of this number in Spanish? 20. 20. Now you know all the numbers in Spanish. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to memorize the names of these numbers. Check out all the highlights in the PDF and watch our next video. See you in our next lesson. Thank you so much and bye-bye. Adios.